Hello friends. Today I want to show you the Texas map infographics. This is an animated template for PowerPoint. Browse the following Texas infographic template for your Google Slides PowerPoint presentations. This awesome template will make your presentation design so bright. Presented slides are 100 editable. You can replace a dummy text inside text placeholders with your own content. Do not miss a chance to make a wonderful presentation about the United States of America, traveling, and tourism advertisement campaigns. This template is perfectly designed to meet all your requirements and needs. All graphics in this template are fully editable. Easy change any color with using the color schemes in PowerPoint. You can download this template for free at the link in description below. Please press the like button if you like this template, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.